Good morning, Joy. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. I'm doing well, thank you. I was hoping to discuss something important with you.
Of course, Joy. What's on your mind?
Sir, I want to improve my English. I understand the basics, but I feel like I'm not fluent enough in speaking or writing. Can you guide me on how to learn English effectively?
That's a great question, Joy, and I'm glad you're taking an interest in improving your English. First, let me ask, why do you feel the need to learn English better? Is it for academics, your business, or general communication?
It's a combination of all three, sir. Since I run a business, I often need to communicate with clients, write emails, and sometimes speak in English during meetings. Also, I want to build confidence in expressing myself.
That's a solid motivation. The first thing to remember is that learning any language is a gradual process. You have to work on 4 key skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Which one do you find the most challenging?
I say speaking and writing. I hesitate when speaking because I worry about making mistakes, and my writing lacks proper structure.
It's common to feel that way, but don't let fear of mistakes stop you. Mistakes are part of learning. Let's focus on practical strategies. For speaking, try this. Start with simple conversations. Talk to yourself in English about daily activities or describe what you see around you.
Talk to myself? That sounds a bit odd, sir.
Smiling, I know, but it's a great exercise. For example, when you wake up, say, "I am brushing my teeth," or "Today, I'll meet my friend." It builds fluency and confidence. Also, watching English movies or shows with subtitles helps you learn pronunciation and phrases.
That's a good idea. What about writing?
Start with short journal entries. Write about your day, your plans, or even your thoughts. Focus on expressing yourself rather than being perfect. Over time, you can refine your grammar and vocabulary.
Should I use any tools or apps for practice?
Definitely. Apps like Duolingo or Grammarly can be helpful. Duolingo is great for vocabulary and sentence structure, while Grammarly can assist you with writing corrections. Reading newspapers, blogs, or books in English will also enhance your understanding.
That sounds manageable, but how do I stay consistent?
Set small, achievable goals. For instance, decide to learn 5 new words daily or write a 100-word paragraph every evening. Consistency is key, so even 15-20 minutes of practice each day will make a difference.
I'll try that, sir. But what about grammar? Do I need to study grammar rules deeply?
Grammar is important, but don't let it overwhelm you. Learn basic rules first: tenses, prepositions, and sentence structure. As you practice more, grammar will naturally improve.
This is very helpful, sir. Thank you so much for your guidance.
You're welcome, Joy. Remember, language learning is a journey. Be patient with yourself, and don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. I'm here to guide you anytime.
Thank you, sir. I'll start applying these tips right away.
Excellent. I'm looking forward to seeing your progress. Keep up the good work, Joy.
I will, sir. Have a great day.
You too, Joy. Keep practicing and stay confident.